Hello my friends, I'm Olga Ivanova and today I want to share with you how to repurchase a credit package to your advert at my advertising page platform, not from bank account or e-wallet, but from your available account balance, which was earned already, and want to show it from my screen, from my account right now. Okay, my advertising page is a unique advertisement platform where you can advertise your product and also start as a member and take part in the profit revenue sharing. And this is really great and awesome opportunity to earn online and also to know more about the products because my advertising page is so popular worldwide, yes, that all in-demand products are advertised there. So let's go and do it right now. Okay guys, and we now in my account. Here is the main page of my advertising page, and we can see here banner advertisement, sponsored adverts, and also there are 3 ways to be in my advertising page: to earn money, to place ad, and join to referral programs. And here is the free easy steps how to get paid from my advertising page. If you want to start, you can click sign up like I'm doing now, and you will go to your profile, check out Olga Ivanova is your sponsor, fill in all the form, and click on register me. I am registered already, so I will go to my account and sign in here. I insert my data and secondary password. Okay, I'm on my main page. See that my available account balance is $68, and I can buy new credit package for $49.99 right now. Credit package, and do it from my account. Click on preview. Yes, my account is okay, and do it in the process. Okay, just right now I received a notification letter from my advertising page that I just bought my one credit package right now, and I have 2 credit package totals. One just I bought right now, and one was from the end of November. Okay, so I made my repurchase of a second credit package from my available account balance, and that's all.